So using data to make decisions in business comes back to that common sense notion. The wonderfulness of business is that it is always run by people, all different kinds of people. And it always will be, because it's the people that have an idea. Even if you go and look at a giant data set and you say, what's the business idea for which there is an opportunity now? And certain results will be spit out at you from the analysis. You as a human being are still going to go and say, well, here's a market opportunity that I can put my heart and passion into, let me follow that. And that is the blessing of the human part of the business. However, once you have done that, it is very important to remember that your contribution that you're making to society through the business that you're making, even if you start your business for a personal or selfish reason, which is perfectly fine, it has to contribute to society in some way. Otherwise, your market is not going to respond to you. So inevitably, you are locked into that transaction. If you don't listen to your market, if you don't send tests into that big data set called society and look at the results, you're going to miss those opportunities. You're going to pitch your idea at the wrong level, to the wrong market, at the wrong price point. And up until now, the genius of those entrepreneurs who've been successful, those businesses that have been successful, is to have either made those kinds of forecasts and predictions based on whatever the bigness of the data was that was available previously, or gut sense. And you find those people in the market. They find a product, they know it's going to work, and they put everything into it and it just flies. It does happen. But for the rest of us, that data is going to tell us how it is that we're going to respond well, how it is that we're going to succeed, how we must shift, how we must change, how we must move, where are the fish that we are going to go and fish for. It's going to tell us all of those kinds of things and what bait to use. So that's why big data is important in business. But it's not just about going out and finding markets. It's also about, now that you've brought your product to market, how do you make sure that you're selling it in the right place? How do you know that your supply chain is bringing your production to market at the optimal rate that takes into account your ability to manufacture, your ability to bring raw materials into your manufacturing, as well as the ability of your supply chain to deliver your product to market cost effectively, neither overstocked nor understocked. How do you know what your optimal stock holding is in any given place at any given time, based on your weekly trends, based on your annual trends, based on any other kind of seasonality? If you can know how to do that, marry that world of data that gives you the insights with the ability to, on a physical level, get active, deploy your people on the ground, whether it's in wheels or whether it's in shops with little devices that tell them what to do, you can be making better decisions all the time and still be following your passion. In fact, it can be the very thing that enables you to manifest your passion in the market in best, most effective, most efficient, and most profitable way.